So don't trade today until you see this analysis before you trade. ABOEG 001Z. Let's break down the market and let's see what the market. Let's break down the chart and let's see what the market has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. This is a trading platform where we do our daily analysis. So let's quickly move into the chart. And before we go into the chart, you already know we go maybe we check maybe there's what fundamental analysis to see maybe there is news or there is no news, so that we can stay away from the market 15 minutes before the news and 15 minutes after the news. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To those of you that my video just pop up into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Please turn on please subscribe. Okay, let's quickly go in. Let's go and move into the charts. Let's see what we have. Spend me some of the times, 30 minutes of your times, and learn this. Yes, before we go, let's see what we have let's see what we have. This is fundamental analysis, this is Forex factory. We can see where they do 24. There's no high impact news on USA and GBP and Euro. There's no high impact news. So let's move into the chart and see what the chart has for us. Yesterday, our opportunity, it trigger us out and went in our favor. So you already know on daily time frame, this is daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. You can see this is our swing low. This is what? This is XAGUSD, which is silver. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. And this is our key level we are expecting the market to mitigate it before reacting. So this is what we are having now. This is what we are having. This is what we are having. You can see on daily time frame, this is our what? These are pre-construction to uptrend, and this is our demand. And our demand turned to what? Turn to breaker block. So let's move to our analysis time frame, which is our 4 hours and 1 hour. You can see what daily time frame is giving us. Is giving us the vibes of what's downtrend. So definitely these are the key level. We are still selling the market to this key level, to this demand zone, to this major demand zone. Because this major demand zone, there is key level there, there is monthly key level there is weekly key level there, and there is what? The swing low, which is daily time frame key level. It is there. So this is downtrend. Let's go to our analysis area, which is 4 hour time frame, to see where we can sell the market, where we can join the market. This is break of structure, and this is the liquidity sweep, and this is what another liquidity sweep, and this is what the vibe of market is giving us, and this is what we are having. This is our major downtrend on 4 hour time frame. But 4 hour time frame, if market has mitigated breaker block once, it will not return. It's not useful the second time. So breaker block is used one, and you can see market has resetted it once, so we are not coming back to take an opportunity here. So we are not coming back to take opportunity here. But this is where we are seeing, you can see this, we have internal break of structure here. And if I said we should use Fibonacci retracement on this trade, uh, so definitely we can take opportunity from here. This is other block. As for me, this is other block. So we can take opportunity from this other block because this is where the buyer enter. You can see there's FEG here, there's FEG here. So we have two FEG. We don't know the one the market is going to respect it before we can move down trend. But I'm seeing there's key level here. You can see there's key level here. So let's see where the market is going. We have FEG here. We have two opportunity on this trade. We have FEG. So we don't know which one. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. We don't know which one the market is going to respect it, but I'm expecting the market to come to this other block before we can see what a downtrend. So I'm taking another sell from this other block because this is the major what this is the supply. This is all this one are other block. This is where the institutional enter, but this is where the institutional enter. This is where FEG. This is the FEG. So the Fibonacci retracement, let me use it once again. Fibonacci retracement. This is it. If market cannot retrace from this because this is a very dangerous zone. This FEG is not valid, but market is coming to this. This is 50%. If market can come to this 50%, definitely we are selling the market. We are selling the market. So let's be expecting market to come to this other block before we can sell the market. So and market is coming to this demand. Let's see if this minor demand is going, this key level minor demand is going to push it up or is going to break it, because you can see it is key level. You can see where the market started to give us break of structure here, retrace. So this is what key level here, but this is major key level on daily time frame. This one are minor key level because we still have FEG. So this is what we are having. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is all what we are having on 1 hour time. You can see the major break of structure align with this, align with this 1 hour. You can see what the market is giving us. But this is the vibe of the market. This is the vibe of the market. We are seeing break of structure here. This is the opportunity we took yesterday, but market trigger us out and continue the downtrend. So all what we just need now all what we just need that is just to be patient to see maybe if the market is coming to this what key level before we can see a downtrend. That is what I'm looking for. Let us be patient. Let us be patient. Let us be patient. That is it. So let's all be patient. So let's move to 1 hour time. For what 1 hour given, we did not see any other break of structure recently on 1 hour time frame. So let's move to the 50-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. You can see what the market is doing. This is the last break of structure. Another break of structure here. Oh, this is another break of structure here because this one are weak. So markets, let's say market is coming. You can see where the market trigger us out and continue the downtrend. This is our opportunity. We have no our mistake. I have no my mistake now. That's I suppose leave this our stop loss should be what should be above here before I can say, but this opportunity I'm still expecting the market. When I can take this trade is just when the market mitigate that minor key level. So as for me, I'm expecting the market. Let's if the market you can see a buyer to push the market up. But let's see if there is key level that is trying to push the market. This is the key level the market is. You can see the key level. There is multiple rejection on this key level. It has been multiple rejection on this key level. So if this key level can push it up to this and this other block can push it down, that is what I'm expecting. So let us be patient. This is what I'm seeing. This is the major opportunity on what on 4 hour time frame. Seriously. If we say we should be taking on 15-minute time frame, we just be losing capital. So this is what I'm saying. So this is what we are not buying, we are selling the market. But the best opportunity to wait for the market is inside this FEG or this opportunity or this 4 hours opportunity before we can take the sell. So let's just be patient. So let's just be patient. So let's move to gold. This is what the gold has for us from daily time frame. This is all what we are having from daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. and this is the demand. Let's see if this demand is going to hold it or is not going to hold it. But we are still selling the market to this monthly key level because on monthly key level we are having FEG. The gap is too much over there. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm saying. You can see break of structure. After the break of structure, this is another break of structure markets liquidity swept over here. After the liquidity swept over here, we see market structure shifts, break of structure. And this is the last break of structure we are seeing on the market. You can see the last break of structure. So markets came back to it and we are having break of structure here. We are having break of structure here. And as for me, I'm having other block because there's FEG here, but we don't know maybe this other block is going to hold it. This is the other block we are having now because there's FEG over there. So let's see it set down. So this is where we are selling the market. I'm still anticipating for sales. But we guys be patient into this key level again. Into this key level again. So this is where we are selling the market. But if this does not hold, definitely this will hold. This is the one that is going to hold. Seriously, because this is another block. That's for me. So we are expecting another sell. So let's leave this coordinates. I think we can you let me call it the coordinate, but let me just leave it like this. You can see this is the entry price. If you want to use that recent coordinate, this is the entry price. You can see the entry price. This is the take profit here. You can see this is take profit. Why this is top trade? This is our stop trade, and why this is our entry price. So this is what we're having on gold. So let's move to 1 hour and let's see if we can redefine the 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour. The 1 hour itself is not giving us the opportunity because it has been giving us week up to down. You can see market has been dropping week up to down. So let's see what the market is having. But if market does not respect it, definitely it's coming back here to this. It's coming back to this what 4 hours order block. You just have this as liquidity. You mitigated this and continue. But let's see if this recent 4 hours opportunity is going down because we have tiny FEG here. You can see this from this place to this place. There's tiny FEG there. So let's see if this is going to respect it. So there, sorry for the coordinate on what on Steve. I don't. Where is the coordinate now? Yeah, this is the coordinate of a year. I'm still expecting the market to anticipate from here. But if market want to respect this FEG at the middle of the candle, that is what we are going to use. Our stop loss will be here. So at the middle of the candle, if market want to respect this FEG, so this is our entry now. You can see this is our entry. This is our take profit, and this is our stop trade. These are our coordinates. This is coordinate what on both. So let's move to USDT here. Let's see what USDT has for us. From daily time frame, this is our swing high now. And this is our swing good, sorry. From daily time frame, this is our swing good. And this is our previous swing high, and this is our recent swing high. You can see this is the man that doing this break of structure, and while this is our swing low. So let's just take this opportunity and see what the market is doing. You can see what the market is doing. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low. These are swing low, these are swing high. You can see this is previous inlet, this previous is swing high. So market is in between. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is 4 hour time frame. After market mitigate this FEG. Market mitigate this FEG. Market push it again. But you can but as for me, there's no FEG on 4 hours. This unless if you want to sell market want to come up, but on this 1 hour FEG set. So this is what we are having, but let's know this is the demand zone. So we are expecting the market to come down, but this is the FX that is delaying this. Is delaying the market. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see this is the FX we are having on 1 hour time frame. That's for me. And after market mitigate this FEG again, it push it up again. So let's see if the market can come to this FEG before we can see a downtrend. Let's see if the market can come to this FEG before you can see them. Because as for me, this is a liquidity short for me. This is a liquidity short for me. This is a FEG. So let's see if the market is come to this FEG before you can see a downtrend. Now let's move to 15-minute time frame to see what this opportunity is saying. This is 15-minute time frame. Because this is very structure. This is what the market is doing in 15-minute time frame. One after the market got big construction mitigated here, come back again. But if you can see, there is no break of structure. There is this second week candle past this first week candle. There is. So this is break of structure. So markets came back to here. We are having another break of structure here. We are having another break of structure here. So let's move to 15 minutes to see the structure. This is 15 minute time frame. This is upward. This is all what we are having on 15-minute time frame. Market is giving all the very downtrend. So let's see where we can get it. This is what is happening. See, this is a FEG. So market is giving the very downtrend. So let us wait. Let's see what the market is trying to do. If the market can come back here and give us downtrend, I think it will be okay. Let's see what's the give the coordinate. These are entry, sell limits. These are take profits, sell limits, and these are what our stop chain, which is what this is our sell limits ordinance. So This is what I'm having, seriously. This is what I'm having, and this is what I'm seeing, seriously. I'm expecting this will serve as liquidity because there's one feature of this one now. So we don't know what if market can come to this FED and what continue the line trade. That's what I'm looking for. That is what I think that is what I'm looking for. Let's move to GU. This is GU. We already know for multi time frame. Let's see the what we have in the frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the overall last break of structure, and this will serve as liquidity for me. So I'm still expecting downtrend. You can see market is giving us downtrend. This is the most break of structure to downtrend. So let's move to 4 hours, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is what we are having this break of structure, and we're having another break of structure here. This is a liquidity straight market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Market is giving us downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see what is happening. This is 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting the market to come back to here yesterday, but market couldn't make it. So let's just in this structure of 1 hour time frame. Sorry for that. So this is what I'm having. This is the other block power game. The probability market is coming up. So this is the other block I'm seeing. But let us see this what the market is doing because this is a downtrend. Seriously. On 1 hour time frame, there is no opportunity yet on 1 hour time frame. You can see what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. There is no opportunity yet. All what just need to do is just to leave the market to mitigate this with this lower low. You see, if the market broken that lower low, definitely we continue to sell. But let's just be patient. On 50-minute time frame, this is what the market is giving. Sorry for that. This is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us a lot of downtrend. This is the downtrend market. We are still in downtrend. Market is still in downtrend on 50-minute time frame, but there's no opportunity because market is near this what clear this lower low. We just need to wait for market to break this lower low. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU arm for us. From daily time frame or EU, you can see the market is coming down in EU. We are downtrend. This is the last work of structure. The market is giving us after market showed this liquidity, market continue with downtrend. So you can see what market is doing on this. Let's take it every year. So our first TP will be this weekly keyboard. So let's move to forward that we can see opportunity. With 4 hour time frame, this is what we are having. There's no opportunity yet in 4 hour time frame. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. This is what the market is trying to do. The market is giving off downtrend. This is the last break of short term for our time frame. This is this is what we are having. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the break of structure we are having. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure we are having. Well, there is what? There is FEG here. So there is two FEG here. There's FEG over here, there's FEG over here, so you can see there's FEG over here. So let's take our downtrend from here. So the nearest key level on 4 hour time frame. To this key level, this is where you are expecting ourselves to mitigate it. To that key level before you can see a huge uptrend. So let us be buying. Let us be selling. Sorry, let us be selling. We are selling the markets from this FEG to that. On 15-minute time frame, let's see what 15-minute time frame is giving us. If we define this opportunity, 15-minute, I think I've plotted this. Right, does it go when I'm in 15-minute time frame? This is it now. So on 30-minute time frame, so this is what we're having. On 15-minute time frame, I think something is going to want. So on 15-minute time frame, this is what we are having. We are having break of structure here. Market mitigated a break of structure here, break of structure here. Market has mitigated this place. And this is the last break of structure market is giving us. And this break of structure has FEG. If you want to redefine this one on FEG, this is it. The break of structure here. Jeez, we are having that trend here. This is what we are having. Yes. Yeah. This is what we are having. We are selling the market again from here. Let's see one ratio 30. So 1:3 is okay. So this is where we are selling the market. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is the recent demand, this is the recent day for structure. And we have FEG here, so market is coming back here. So this is an uptrend market for our time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. The 4 hour time frame is giving us 4 hour time frame. You can see market does not trigger us yesterday. So what it just what just how it shows to don't the markets. You can let's move to this is what we are having. On 1 hour time frame, we are having break of structure here. And market showed this liquidity, but market does not trigger us in. So all what we just have to do is just to join this opportunity. This is the break of structure we are having now. And this is what this is opportunity all about. So We are buying the market from here. So let's change this coordinates. This is fine. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. You see this opportunity on 15-minute time frame. You can see this is a liquidity shape of 15-minute time frame. You know, all what we have in this quite a small area. You see 50 minute on 15-minute time frame is not giving clear information because the week has dropped, but on 1 hour time frame, there's no week. On 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having. This is what we have on 1 hour time frame. So let's see if the market can be traced before we can see a trend. Because there's FEG here, you can see so market will expect this key level. Let's put it here. This is what I'm having. This is what I'm seeing on the charts. It's not as this is what I'm having. This is what the chart gave us. So I'll stop trade. So this is what we are having. So let's move to GG. Let's see what GG has for us. As you can see, market does not trigger us in. From daily time frame, this is our swing R, this is our swing go, this is our demand, and we are seeing a market downtrend. This is a liquidity trend. So on 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure we are seeing. Market has mitigated this 50%. So I'm expecting the market to come to this FEG before we can see a huge downtrend. So let sell limits. This is sell limits market now. This is a sell limits market. Sorry for that. My entry. I'll take profits. While our stop trade. So this is what we are having. So let's be expecting the market to come up before we can see a downtrend. Let's move to showing 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing 1 hour time frame. If I see the last break of structure 1 hour time frame, market mitigated and continued, but I'm expecting the market to come to this FEG. Seriously, I'm expecting the market to come to this FEG before I can see a huge downtrend. Let's move to 150-minute time frame. This is 50-minute time frame, and you can see this is a liquidity. But this break of structure, market mitigated is, let's see. So we guys be patient. Before we can take this trade now, it's just we should see a break of structure before we can say we are taking the trade. But as for me, I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG and give us downtrend. This is what I'm seeing. Let's see what crypto has for us. This is crypto markets. Market has mitigated this FEG. From daily time frame, these are our swing high here, and these are our swing low. This is liquidity shift. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see what market is giving. This is the supply market. This is supply that pushes the market down. After market showed this liquidity. Market give us break of structure. After it give us break of structure, market what? Market give us change of character. Market mitigated and give us another break of structure here. And we are having market has not given us break of structure here, but we are having what? We are having FEG here. You can see the FEG. We have FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having. You can see the break of structure. We have seen the change of character. So I'm still expecting the market to mitigate this 1 hour FEG before I can see which stand trend. All this one are liquidity shift. It's not a valid break of structure. These are liquidity shift. It's not a valid break of structure. What we are having now, you can see this FEG is fairly. This FEG what is large. So this is what we are having today. This is what we are having. So let's see what the market has for us over here. So I'm still expecting a downtrend. I'm still expecting a downtrend. So let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has for us. This is Ethereum market from daily time frame. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. You can see the swing low. This is the last break of structure market gives us a daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Market is in between the swing and the swing low. This is the supply that's pushed the market down again. And as for me, this is what we are having inside the market. Seriously, this is what the market is giving us, and we are having what's market change of we are having a construction here. We have change of character here. So there is what there is FEG here. This is the FEG. I'm expecting the market to sell again. Let's see if we can see a sell again. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate it here before we can see a sell again. So this is what I'm having because this is the last break of structure market gave us here. And this is a liquidity shift. Now this is the market structure shift, sorry that or change of character set. But this is the minor break of structure market give us. So let's just be focused. Let's just be focused seriously. Let's just be focused. We are selling the market again. But there's FEG here. If you use Fibonacci retracement, I think that FEG this is an institutional place. You can see market can come to this FEG and continue downtrend. on BTC. Let me try and use that BFG on BTC. On legacy, let me use that and Fibonacci retracement on BTC also. This is BTC. This is 50% or so. Market may come here and continue on downtrend. So let's just be patient. We are selling on BTC and Ethereum. We are selling, so let's be patient. On gold, what are we doing on Sliver? On Sliver, we are selling. Either we are expecting the market to mitigate this FEG or to come to this other block on 4 hours time frame. On gold, we are expecting the market to mitigate this minor other block 4 hours gave us, or to this other block that it gave us yesterday. On US 30, this is what is happening on US 30. If the market can come to this FEG 1 hour, this 1 hour FEG before we can see a continuation to downtrend. But if we will not see, definitely we will find way to join this downtrend. Let's see. This is what we have seen. The market does not give me structure seriously, so I gotta be patient. I gotta be patient. Let's move to Euro. This is what the market is giving us on Euro 1 hour time frame or 50-minute time frame. This is the FEG market is giving us. So if you can see a huge market should spark up before you can see downtrend. My expecting market to spark down before you can see uptrend. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG before I can see downtrend. So this is what we are having. So if you want more of this, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the video. Peace and love. Today is going to be successful and profitable. We are going to be a successful and profitable trader in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Today is our day and success is ours. Peace and love. Have a successful day. Have a peaceful day. Thanks.